Oh my god, 858. Come on, 8 is huge. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so complicated. Someone stop my imagination, but I can't help thinking about vacation.
What's up everyone, it's Zime here, or Harvey, whatever you know me by. Today's video is being played on Roulette, and I hope you enjoy, but first make sure you go in the top left here where it says promo, type in Zime, that's Z-I-M-E, in the promotional code. Doing that will unlock rewards for you, and it's Roulette's rate back system. So yeah guys, enjoy, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Trying to predict place of abstinence, because we have a bit longer time here than, for example, on the lightning roulette for sure. So you have time to think. 3, 5, and 8. 5 hand extra free.
3, 8.
Oh, really? Why? It's always like that. I mean, I don't want to ask that one more time. I love number 4 really because it's already giving a 50x. Daniel, Casino, and Strack, you're the best. But, whoa, that's a heartbreaking, really. Heartbreaking. You kind of like see this close and just one turn of a die and you're already on a free. Time's up. 7, 8 on third time. 50x.
Come on, 8. 50x, Jesus Christ.
6. Sophia,
Nice.
DDD, well done. Thanks. Second time bro, we got a loot. Not advice. We can get the payouts big because we already got the 50x for number 4 and 15x for number 6. Let's get another one. 3 more seconds left.
Come on, 8.
50x for 8. Good luck.
Come on, 8. Yes! Oh my god, nice. 6, 15, 8 are oh my god. Okay, 6, 18's 1000x. Or 6, I'd like a 6. I'll take a 6. Oh, 3, 4, 5, 6! Jay! Let's go! Another one.
Obviously, everything's fine in the world of Evo.
I want you to hit 11 as well.
11 X.
I normally have 7.
Ladies and gents, that's going to be a 7. But like, it's a live show. Things need to be checked up and and that jazz.
There's been not a lightning number in a while, you know.
The thingamajig, the shot.
No, it's been a while.
Things are being looked at, and I didn't want to make people even more panicky. So yeah, I've got to play it cool. I mean, calm, cool, collected. That's
Oh, I only got
what I am.
$1.12, are you serious?
No matter what you throw in my way, I
8.
will go to bed for real now.
8,
I mean, enjoy
please,
the
8.
rest, brother. 3, 6,
Or
8.
no, sorry, 6 would be better. 6 would be better. 750. 6! Nice. Nice. Thank God for that. I'm going.
Figured out. Things will go according to the plan, I'll make you proud, but nothing never does, and it's not just gonna now. They love to see you rise just to tear you fucking down. People wanna love, but what if it's all fake? I'd rather have the truth even if it is all hate. Nothing but respect for people who just say clear-cut truth, no matter what's at play. Oh, it's so complicated. Someone stop my imagination, but I can't help thinking about vacation and what could happen if I make it. 'Cause it's 1 in a million, oh, but what if I'm one?